What's the meaning of blank verse? Blank verse. Blank verse.
Blank verse. Blank verse. Blank verse is a type of poetry that does not rhyme but uses iambic pentameter, a rhythm scheme in which each line consists of 10 syllables with alternating emphasis on every other syllable. It is a common form of poetry used in English literature, particularly in works of drama and epic poetry. This style was first popularized by William Shakespeare in his plays, such as Hamlet and Macbeth. Blank verse allows for greater flexibility in expressing ideas and emotions while still maintaining a consistent structure. Its popularity in English literature has continued to this day, as it remains a versatile and useful tool for poets and writers alike.